Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm a Chromebook tech at AGParts Education. I'm going to be showing you how to tear down an HP 11 G9EE. So what you want to do first is turn the computer around so that you're on the back cover and take all the screws out of the bottom cover. And once all those screws are out, you can turn it back around and open it up. Take a spudger to get underneath of the palm rest and lift it up. Then once it's lifted up, you can take it out, and you have to unclip the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable by just lifting these things up and popping it out. So once you have your palm rest, you need to reconnect the touchpad ribbon and the keyboard ribbon back into the motherboard. So once those are reconnected, then you can place the palm rest back on top and snap it back in. Once it's all snapped back in, you can close the computer and flip it on its backside and put the screws back into the bottom cover. I'm going to verify the repair on an HP 11 G9EE by opening up the computer and hitting the power button. You may have to plug in the AC adapter. And if the screen comes on, then the repair was successful. So now you can power off the Chromebook.